Hi, I'm a coder and I have a huge issue with current modern software development. Yeah, I think I have a huge skill issue with that because so-called modern software development is, I don't know, too dogmatic. It's big, it's slow, it's clunky. Yeah, it doesn't fit in one brain. So for the past few months, I built my own dev tool for my environment. Okay, it need to be small, wider scope, easy, simple, with hardened security, high performance, and scale well. So let's begin. So I have here is the installer zip. So it's like under 1 megabyte. This one, it's all pass, and yeah. Yeah, we can try something like so if I so what I want to have in here is simpler stack, built-in, more simple and smaller is better, and more in on point. Something like benchmark. Yeah, this is basically auto generate for the benchmark. And profiling endpoint. Maybe I want also to have a local version control for backup. Yeah, so I can use push, and the message is I also want to see the step, strike, and so on. So let me create the doc first. The thread, the strike, LOC. Yeah, also size. There you go. I don't know if config is, yeah. CO2 estimate. Okay, maybe SLO for this laptop. So I can reduce the time to write the test because that itself like have the project timeline. So it's wasting time. But this is a generic test, not a specific. For a specific, you can edit and whatever you want. Yeah, sure. Yeah. This is basically unit and feature test, but mostly function tests. There you go. You might want to have a snapshot. Yeah, basically it's the same, and maybe some will fail. Yeah, because it's not the same with the previous snapshot. Or we can test a mutation. Yeah, there you go. This will take some time, so we will skip it. The 401 here is basically blocked by default, so it's not accepting all requests because it's default to block. Then if you have a credential, etc., it will pass something like that, right? So we will skip it. We also want to test for the static. It should be passed on PHP stand level 9, the maximum one. There you go. And we also have like test for for the DAST, but this will take a long time because it will doing the pen test for the application the whole, but we will skip it. We will skip it, and maybe we want also to test the policy. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. I also create the EAC for my internet, so it will remote my network PC or laptop, maybe something like that. Yeah. So maybe we will skip it, and also we can basically it will scan the software and seek for the CVE for those installed software, yeah, for the GRC, right? But you get the point. So where all report, um where we can find the report, it's actually um we have a local server that store all that information. So if you can see here, we have like something like this, right? Um, the LOC, uh, MDR for the market requirement document. Yeah. This is for local, so it's not high fidelity, right? Also, all the form here it's auto generate. So the layout quite bland, but mostly functional. Yeah, something like that. And also we have a business requirement documentation if you need it, and product requirement documentation, FDR, ADR, something like this. Maybe I want to use Techno and Corner Hafang. See, the tip maker, right? But the tools is quite simple. Yeah, there you go. So this is for the uh, user archetype. Uh, yeah. So the infrastructure UML, it will generate something like this. And the documentation, you can see here the usage, return type, and so on and so on. Something like that. For security, the state will appear something like this. Yeah. For the thread, yeah, something like this. You can go to the which function that already patch that concern, right, for the RASP. So we have a static file, and yeah, something like this. Instant is here, alert. Yeah, there you go. This is for SBOM. Uh, there you go. For the ASVS website is this one. How fast is this? I don't know. Maybe we can reload it. Yeah, so without 2 millisecond, under 200 millisecond. So with catch maybe 127. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. There you go. So just for fun, just for fun. So one more thing. So what if I want to split or make it not monolith but distributed system? I can only do like I can do like this, and we should see. Yep, we have another container for the support. Yeah, maybe that's all. Bye.